This is the elevator at Boscov at Millcreek Mall in Erie, Pennsylvania. Here's the elevator sign. It's a Schindler Express. Let's go to 2. Here we go. Here are 2.
Whoops, I'm sorry. Didn't know you were here. You ready to sit down a little bit?
No,
No, you're okay?
I'm all right.
Okay.
I'm all right. Yeah.
Did you do a breathing treatment this morning? Or you didn't, we didn't have time?
We didn't get it in, no.
Okay.
No. Takes a half hour.
First? I know, but you're holding up very good. I'm a little surprised.
Yeah.
Let's go back up to 2. Let's get a cab view. Very nice cab. This is originally an Otis, but it's modernized by Schindler. Here are 2. Let's go down to 1. £3,000 capacity. Here's your certificate. Here are 1. Let's watch it close. And that's it.